Installing the micro SD card. Locate the micro SD socket on the system board. Place the micro SD card into the socket. Close the socket lid. Slide the socket lid to the locked position. For configurations with a drive cage, work through the following actions. Reconnect all the required cables to the drive backplane and then reinstall the drive cage assembly in the node. For configurations with a front OCP cage, work through the following actions. Reinstall the front OCP cage. Make sure that the OCP cable is connected to the system board and then route the OCP cable through the front air baffle and reinstall it on the front OCP cage with screws. Reinstall the front OCP module. Make sure that all the required cables are routed and connected correctly, and then reinstall the top cover. Reinstall the node into the chassis.